Proper headlight bulbs of your vehicle are highly important for safe and comfortable driving at night. These headlights provide wider illumination, so the driver can drive properly under a variety of conditions like dark, foggy, rainy, bad weather, and other unexpected obstacles. There are many products available to choose best car headlights, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Philips H7 CrystalVision Headlight Bulb. The Philips H7 CrystalVision Ultra Upgraded Headlight Bulb is a perfect choice if you need a durable, trustworthy product that'll survive almost anything. These bulbs are constructed differently from your average halogen bulb. They deliver your standard 55 watts, but provide a color temperature of up to 4000 K made with high-quality UV quartz glass. Each bulb is stronger than basic glass and highly resistant to temperature extremes and road vibrations, minimizing your risk of issues. They're also resistant to UV light thanks to their anti-UV coating, which keeps your bulbs safe from constant harsh sunlight. Additionally, a blue cap at the end of each bulb is designed to create cool light that's brighter in darkness. Number 2. Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb. If you want to make absolutely sure you're swapping out your old headlight bulbs for a set that's equal in quality and performance to your OEM bulbs, choosing the Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb is a great move. These bulbs may work with a versatile range of vehicles, but no matter where they're installed, they deliver OEM construction and performance. And Philips is a reputable choice for quality automotive bulbs. Each halogen bulb is designed to deliver crisp white color temperature, along with glare-free and symmetrical beams, to reduce glare and keep you seeing clearly and safely on the road. Number 3. Sylvania H11 CrystalVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. Go with a classic made better and opt for the Sylvania H11 CrystalVision High Performance Halogen Headlight Bulb. This two-bulb set is designed to replace headlight bulbs as well as high-end low beams and fog light bulbs. It's a traditional halogen set of bulbs with a total of 1345 lumens and 55 watts. And its H11 size works in plenty of different makes and models. But it shines better than your average halogen bulb thanks to its CrystalVision design, which features robust filament construction and a proprietary gas mixture that improves performance and longevity. These bulbs are also designed to prevent increased glare, allowing you to enhance your visibility over longer distances without adding extra challenges. Number 4. Auxbeam 9006 LED Bulbs. Auxbeam is a high-end brand of headlight bulbs that is known for offering various high-end lights that are not only powerful but also offer high visibility. The Auxbeam 9006 headlight bulbs can be a great pick if you want a moderately bright light upgrade for your car. This is primarily due to the reason that these light bulbs are rated at a decent 6000 lumens. While these bulbs may not be the most powerful ones, you still get pretty good visibility thanks to the given 6000 K color temperature. Because this is a pair of premium headlight bulbs, you get two bulbs included in the box that have a 1-year-long warranty, which is the same as most others. Number 5. Techmax H11 LED Headlight Bulb. In case that you are on a tight budget, then you can also consider Techmax, since it is also another affordable brand of headlight bulbs. Techmax's H11 headlight bulbs are one of the cheapest options stated out there that make for a great affordable buy for many. With these budget-friendly lights, you get a brightness out of 8000 lumens, which is pretty high for most buyers. And despite being an affordable option, you get an excellent color temperature of 6500 K with these headlight bulbs, making it perfect for proper visibility. Even though you get a 1-year-long warranty with these headlight bulbs, they are not the best-built ones out there.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.